sensor. All right, where's my little marker? Cranking up. You going?
I wasn't going to tell you that. I was just going to film some gibberish for a little while.
But
we got to do the walk-in.
Yeah,
g'day,
yeah, that's all
right. Yeah. So what did you need? What are you going to do? Oh, you're just going to mark it on the board.
I'm just going to introduce you, and you got to say now what we're talking about today. Well, today we.
Yeah. No, I thought I was just going to film some
gibberish,
gobbledygook, because I can just throw it in random places. I haven't done it yet, but I was like,
oh. So is it running or is it not running?
It is filming.
Oh, is it running? Yeah. So I don't know whether it's actually working or whether it's not working. So yeah, cool. Well, g'day, Ben.
Oh, g'day, Richard.
Welcome back to the workshop. Moving forward today, what are we on today?
Crank angle sensor.
Crank angle sensor.
Yeah. This is
a big number.
It was, and it was an unknown for us, wasn't it? It took a bit of research to get this.
Yeah, because it's actually that's right, because it's all part of the gear select mechanism and wiring with the old KTM stuff. I can't change that, so we had to somehow blend that in with the MaxxECU stuff. Yeah, so that took a fair bit of time and work, didn't it?
Yeah, and we didn't know the sensor position in relative to crank position.
That's correct.
So there was a few mysteries we had to solve there.
Yeah. And whether it was a Hall effect or whether we needed to have a external pull-up resistor like with the ABS wheel sensors and stuff like that.
Yeah, and with the MaxxECU too, you've got to dictate whether it's a leading signal or a trailing signal. Based on what it was. So it's
so what did we find? We
so it's 36 teeth with two missing teeth.
Right.
And I think it was, and the sensor, I'm trying to remember now, but the sensor was the first tooth after the gap.
Okay, so there's a gap of 2 missing teeth.
Yep.
Okay, cool. That's how it finds where it is.
Yep. And then there is the viewing window.
Yeah, I remember that.
Which has some markings.
Okay.
On the
flywheel. Internal to the motor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah. And the one that we found that was the critical one was there's a little the T indentation on it, the T marking on the flywheel.
Right. Okay.
And it had a little arrow pointing to it. And I think we found in the viewing window is a little lug or a little
marking
indicator, little indicator on it. Yeah. So when that lined up with the T and the sensor, we've now learnt that they all do line up, and it all is top dead center.
Beautiful.
And you can view it. It's actually not that complicated at all.
Yeah,
once you know it.
Discovering, well, there's not documented anywhere the KTM documentation, which made it hard. And the drawing actually only shows color codes of 2 wires going into the original ECU, and they don't really tell us what's going on there. So it's a bit of a black box for us. Anyway, good discovery. Well done.
Yeah.
So let's go and test it.
Yeah, cool. Check it out.
Okay.
All right, so here is your viewing window, and when you open it up, just inside here is a tiny little tab that just sticks out, which marks, I guess, the alignment for the window. So as things roll past the window, they'll line up with that little tab, and you know that seems to be the mark. So so the sensor is just in here, so that lines up with all your markings and your top dead center as well. Well, obviously, I guess the markings are relative to top dead center. They don't actually mark top dead center in alignment with the viewing window. Yeah.
So it's test. We'll see whether or not we got the cables connected right and cranking.
Yeah. So the beautiful thing with MaxxECU is you do get built-in tools. So we've got built-in oscilloscopes here, plus our trigger sensor, trigger logger as well. So if we give that a crank, we'll see what we see. Hang on. What have I got wrong? Let's start it. That's better. Live data. Beauty. Nice and clear. Stop. There we go. So now we can scroll back through our history and see what we see.
Yeah.
So we don't fully understand what we're looking at yet. from a timing point of view, and
they look like this looks like all our teeth.
Yep.
And these must be the leading edge gap,
mm-hmm.
and maybe the trailing edge gap.
Yep. Yeah.
But there's about 36 or so teeth there. So that they must be individual teeth passing by, and these are the gaps, the trigger gaps.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yeah, just as predicted. So we'll be able to work that out, and then have fun tuning that in MaxxECU. It'll be great.
The next job.
More exciting things to do.
Yeah.
Cool.